Utak.
Just a few background, Sulaco farm is so this planted group, trees, no? Since yung sabi ko nga sa isa sa mga participants ko, parang experimental farm ang Sulaco, Barangay farm. So what we did, we plant Joyan, we plant Mangosteen, Loco, and other trees. This to include coconut and buko. So right now, yung isang economic is economic that bumuhay kami Joyan at saka right now, walang dito na kasa. And then going Palawan is ano ba talaga yung principle when it comes to eventually maka-approve ng livelihood ng mga farmers. So, coconut, yes. I understand dapat siguro not only proclamating yung ginagawa natin because yung Sulaco before, yung farm na ito is mula but because of that labor problem, the cost of course because this is manually done, so I did diverted to cars. Kaya malapit na tayo sa parking ticket. So why don't we give an opportunity to sa President